This van here is Carl's amazing Fiat Ducato. Yeah, look at the length of that. It's got some awesome solar as well. I'll show you how good the solar is, and then I'll take you round. I'm not quite sure how the video is going to turn out for this one. I'm in Cornwall and I'm off to a rave in a cave. You want to try this paddle with that? Yeah, I won't mind, yeah. Yeah, give that a go. Yeah. See how that goes. It's a life. Give that a go, mate. As long as I can sort of get a paddle somewhere. So this is the... Well, this is a bit short. Yeah, it's just... This is not the way to do it. I can't steer with this. Look, it's not working. Yeah, it just won't let me steer. It's done on my dishes. Coconut oil has melted completely and ended up going on the floor, so that's going to be slippy as hell later. Well, I know things have got a bit mental because the last time you see me was in the water and before that in a cave. I want to show you this van. This is the subscribers to watch the channel, and the solar setup and the power that he's got going on, it's absolutely insane. To the point that there's a full-size 240 volt microwave, a toaster and a coffee machine. He can have it all on and still have near enough a full battery. I'll show you what I mean because this is crazy. Okay. Oh, it's not moving.
Oh, hang on. Give it a little tap. It's analog. Sometimes you've got a little job, you know.
Get that coffee machine on and let's get this all the way up.
You want it all the way up? Alright, let's have the microwave as well.
And the microwave.
That should get it out. Why is it only... Oh, there we are.
I still think the best thing about all this is your battery is completely full.
Yeah,
I can't believe that.
You switch that off.
And even now, look at that, like...
Yeah, that'll tell you how much current's being drawn as well.
Nearly 20 amps you're pulling in from the... Is that from the solar now,
That's
is
from
it?
the solar coming in.
What?
If it's like a minus, it'll be going out. Yeah, it's on now. Put the toaster on.
What, and this changes
and that there will go down. See, like minus 31 amps.
Yeah, I like that. That's really intelligent, that. That's cool. And I'm loving the baseball bat as well.
Lucille?
Yeah, self-defense mechanism.
Yeah, it's a torch as well.
That's crazy. I'm going to check. Can I see your batteries while this is all on like that?
Yeah.
Like, so it is. It's 99%. What? Yeah, that's the setup. And look at these windows as well. These windows are so cool. And the blinds come all the way down. I like the
Solar
tint.
reflective and blackout.
I like the tint on the windows. It makes the difference. Like it's not too bright, but it's really cool in here as well. Really airy. And you've got a massive full-size bed. That is huge. The back doors as well. I like that.
They all open up.
And like a spare bed or a couch. Yeah. This is proper real life. It's brilliant.
Comfort, mate. Comfort.
Oh, you got the old tambo doors. Yeah, I do like them.
Fill up with shit.
Yeah, but it keeps it in place.
It does. It does.
Oh, I absolutely love it. Like I said, you wouldn't think...
You know, that's van life, that's dirty dishes.
That's real van life, dirty dishes. Yeah, but you would... Honestly, you wouldn't think, like... I've stayed in apartments that are not as nice as this. You got a full-size... Yeah, tin of toaster off.
We're not toasting, are they?
You're toasting nothing.
Coffee machine's ready.
Toast the top of the pineapple.
Yeah.
But look, like, and the door for the bedroom fits this way. That's cool.
It does close. I've got to cut a bit of.
Yeah, I'm not gonna smash your door, man. That's not gonna happen.
It's so the air conditioning
love
just
it.
keeps the back cool.
It's brilliant.
The air conditioning runs 100% off the solar. That is.
You've got aircon as well. Do you have aircon?
I haven't got it in it at the moment. I took it out just for the weight. But all little drawers. Look. And you press to unlock them.
How do van drawers work? Oh my god, they work like house drawers.
Yeah. And it locks.
Are they
by pushing it
is
in.
that camping knives and forks you've got now? Are they?
Oh,
Like...
they fuck no. That's you've got to have knives, man. You're gonna have knives.
Like...
You need proper knives.
Anyone would think you're a chef. Like this is. You got more cooking equipment.
That's really designed for bottles of like large bottles of spirits and things, really.
Yeah.
But I've shoved some plates in there for now.
I take it all this is off like old cabinets, old filing cabinets and stuff, is it?
No, I made them all myself.
Yeah. Hand built.
Well, not them fucking.
These bits.
Buy them off eBay, like 10 for like 99p. I know, ridiculously cheap.
We've all got the whole sauce as well.
I know. Sock drawer.
Mate, we don't need to see. Like we won't do that. Yeah, man. Hey, I'm liking all these little trinkets you've got. They're cool.
Yeah, that's from Thailand, and apparently keeps
so
me
much.
virile. I know.
We all need that.
According to the.
And look, you got the good old stove, man. We all love a stove.
Happy days.
Yeah, man. With dirty pans, like I said, this is real.
Yeah. And the fan, gotta have the fan.
I do like all this. You say this is real tiles as well?
Yeah, it's real, real ceramic tiles. None of this nonsense.
I see no extractor fan on the cupboards, but you do have the fan.
Yeah, it's got under lights as well.
It's like daytime. Yeah, I love this.
All the
Well,
spotlights.
it's the same hinges I've got on mine.
Similar. Yeah, this looks quite nice on the lights.
Yeah, I absolutely love it. It is massive. These cupboards, when you open the cupboard, it touches a little micro switch, which turns on the lights. So when you close the cupboard, lights on. It's like a fridge. I love that. Yeah, that's an idea. That
works.
I might do that myself because I like that.
And you sit on it, you sink into it. There's 6 inches of 3 different types of memory foam there.
And it's all from the Beefeater pubs, is it?
Yeah,
like when
it's all from Beefeater pubs.
when they've ripped them out.
Yeah, I've repurposed them all.
The whole van's really clean. You say this is like scaffold board.
That's scaffolds.
It's like like a pub table.
These here are if you ever bought a phone in Vodafone.
That's
you probably sat on a
sit
high,
on that,
high stool.
Yeah, mate.
A high stool.
And
With
they
one
try
of
and
these.
sell you the highest spec phone.
Well, that's probably what you would have been sat on because that's where they came from.
Right, so you got Rudolph in the corner, mate. We all need Rudolph. And tell me about this this battery meter thing then. Like, what's this about?
It's a smart gauge, and because it's quite clever in how it works. I know all it does is tell you how much power you got in the battery. And it's
really
very
precise.
Accurate.
Yeah,
it's very accurate.
Well, from seeing you put the toaster on, it went down to 99 and it's back up to 100.
It doesn't count the amps. It uses like algorithms to work out the actual voltage. It tests it. It analyses the voltage like 1,000 times per second.
Wow.
Yeah, it's quite insane, I know. But they're really really good.
And then we've got like the radio integrated, and then the cladding. I don't know what anyone that lives in a van, cladding is the way to do it.
On a dimmer.
Are they on a dimmer though? That's the question. Right, you can set the move.
Yeah. Yeah, wetsuit hung up. That's very
Mate,
life, isn't it?
Standard wetsuit hung up.
Isn't it?
Oh look, it's like a glittery disco in here. Yeah, mate. I won't be showering in here. I'll be partying in here. Big disco ball going on with the lights.
See the roof lights up.
What? Are they lights?
Yeah, it's integrated into the roof. It was a sign. So I cut it all up and made it into a roof. Shop sign, I know, for a display unit.
You got 2 shower heads, is that?
Yeah, I can go between the two, so it's like, you know, every shower should have two heads, because you know, that's what power shower's all about.
That's what you need in a van. And look, it can be a sit-down toilet as well, because it's a nice bog.
Yeah.
With a piss pot, which is like, it's handy.
You do need that, like.
Mate, we all have them.
Yeah, and then I've got air pressure gauges at the front. I'll put those in for the air suspension at the back. On the dash, they're a bit different.
And this van's got no front doors, so you can't get out. But it does have the best front door ever, and it's on a fob.
Oh yeah, should we go outside?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Shit,
this van is amazing. Oh, do you ever get bored of that?
Never get bored of that. How could you get bored with that?
Oh, well, thank you for showing me your van, man. Yeah, man, that's cool. I love it. That's it, that's the sun down. It's gone cold, so yeah, the hoodie is now on. The van is packed up, and I'm ready to move on. Oh, that's it, Carl's gone. I can't believe that. His van is amazing. 1090 watts of solar. That's incredible. That's like a mobile power station. So yeah, it's just me now. I'm gonna make a move off very soon. I'm just waiting for the fire to go out. I had it on this afternoon because someone wanted to know how easy it worked and how much heat it give off, so a little demonstration. The sunset has happened and the water there is just like glass. So, and this is another amazing thing about where I am at the minute. Other than one, there's a crisp packet that must have blown out of someone's car. That's a little bit of sawdust from chopping up wood. There is no rubbish anywhere. No rubbish at all. Even when you go down to the water, yep, there is nothing. No crisp packets, no plastic bottles, there is nothing. Which is brilliant actually, it's where it should be. It should be like that everywhere. The bin is full, like that is full completely. But all day long there's been people here having picnics and leaving their rubbish. I mean, alright, they could probably take their rubbish with them, but the bin's there to be used, which is brilliant. Yeah, like I said, the van is ready for me to drive off. I've had a wicked weekend. Like I said, I've been out on the kayak, I've went to rave in a cave, and had a cracking time. I've got to wear my new hoodie, which I don't actually need in here because it's really hot, but when I start driving I'll probably need it. As soon as that sun goes, it goes really cold, which is a given really. But yeah, that was the bank holiday weekend. I hope everyone had a good one. I'll catch you soon.